Now I am drawing the 75 degree using the compass. Taking B as center, I will mark, cut an arc, and from here I will cut an arc which is 60 degree, another arc which is 120 degree. Now I will cut an arc here to make 90 degree first. This is 90 degree we have drawn. This is 90 degree, but we have to draw how much degree? 75 degree. So again what we will do is, to make 75 degree, from here we will cut an arc, another from here to make 75 degree. I will join this line to make an angle of 75 degree. This is 75 degree we have made. This is 75 degree. Now the sum of the length of the two sides AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So we'll open the compass up to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter, we'll open it. This is 13 centimeter, and we'll cut an arc. It is coming here, somewhere here, and I will mark this point as D. Now we'll join DC. This is D and this is C. We are going to join DC. Now the next step is, we'll be drawing the perpendicular bisector of DC. When we are drawing the perpendicular bisector, we have to take the length which is more than half of the length of which we are bisecting. This is I have taken, this is another I have taken. Now I will take from D and this. Now when we join this, this is perpendicular bisector. With the dotted line we will mark this perpendicular bisector. It is meeting, the perpendicular bisector of DC is meeting at BD at A. This is A. This is meeting at this A. So now the required triangle is A, B and C. So we'll join this line AC to get the triangle ABC. So the required triangle is ABC, which is having the base that is equals to 7 centimeter, and the angle B is 75 degree, and the sum of length of AB plus AC is equals to 13 centimeter. Now you will be asking why we have drawn the angle which is equals to we have drawn the side which is equals to 13 centimeter. If we see, if we know that these two sides are equal due to perpendicular bisector we have drawn, this is 90 degree. So we can prove these two triangles congruent by SAS rule that we have studied in lower class. This line is common, this angle is equal, and this line is equal to this line. So they are congruent by SAS. So the sum of this A that we have drawn BD is equals to, we have drawn BD is equals to 13 centimeter. So these two triangles are congruent, therefore AD and AC will be equal. So BD will write as AB plus AD, AB plus AD, that is equals to 13 centimeter. Now we have proved that these two triangles are congruent, so by corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal, so we can say that AD and AC are equal. So instead of AD we can write AC. So AB plus AC is equals to 13 centimeter. This is the justification of why we have drawn a line that is equals to 13 centimeter, that is AB plus AC. Now let us do the second question. The second question is, construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to BC is equals to 8 centimeter, angle B is equals to 45 degree, and AB minus AC is equals to 3.5 centimeter. So first thing we'll draw is the base. So we'll be drawing base which is equals to 8 centimeter. BC we are drawing, that is equals to 8 centimeter. This is BC. And now we have to draw an angle of 45 degree. For making 45 degree, we need the angle of 90 degree first. First we'll make a 90 degree here. This is 60 and 120, and we are making a 90 degree. All of you know how to do it. So this is 90 degree have made. We'll do it by dotted line. And now we have to make a 45 degree by bisecting this 90 degree. So we'll bisect this angle 90 degree. This is 45 degree we have made. We'll extend this line. And in the question it is given that AB minus AC is 3.5 centimeter. So we'll take a arc of 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5 centimeter, and we'll cut an arc and we'll mark it as D. This will be marked as D. Now we'll join the DC. We'll join BC and we'll draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. Let us draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. We have to take arc on both the sides, and then from D, this is perpendicular bisector of DC. Now we'll join this line, and it will meet this line that we have drawn previously. So this is with the dotted line we'll join. This we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of DC, and it is meeting at this point. This line BD, which is extended here, it is meeting at the point, and this point will be A. So the required triangle will be ABC. Now we'll join AC also to complete the figure, or to complete the triangle. So triangle ABC is the triangle in which BC is 8 centimeter, angle B is 45 degree, and AB minus AC is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now let us do the third question. Construct triangle PQR in which QR is 6 centimeter, angle Q is 60 degree, and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. First we'll draw the base, that is equals to 6 centimeter. This is base, that is QR, 6 centimeter. QR, that is equals to 6 centimeter. Then we'll draw angle Q, which is equals to 60 degree. So we'll draw 60 degree here. This is R we have drawn. Now this is 60 degree. So we'll join the 60 degree here. And we'll extend this down also. Now in this question it is given PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. Now angle is made on Q, and the side PQ is at the back side, that is negative. So with this time we'll be drawing 2 centimeter in the downward direction. 2 centimeter. This we have drawn 2 centimeter, and this will 2 centimeter. And we'll mark it as D. We'll mark it as D, and we'll join the DR. We'll join DR. Now we'll make the perpendicular bisector of DR. we will make the perpendicular bisector of DR by keeping the compass at R and D. This is so we'll join this line. This is perpendicular bisector of DR and this will become our P. So we'll get PQR. So our required triangle will be join the PR also, and this will become our triangle, that is triangle PQR, in which QR is 6 cm, angle Q is 60 degree and PR minus PQ is 2 cm.